The 4200 PSI Electric Pressure Washer is engineered to provide exceptional cleaning power with a maximum pressure of 4,200 pounds per square inch and a water flow rate of 2.2 gallons per minute. This versatile machine comes with 4 quick-connect metal nozzles, allowing you to easily switch between different pressure settings to tackle various cleaning tasks effectively. Equipped with a 20-foot flexible pressure hose, this washer offers great mobility and convenience, enabling you to clean around your home effortlessly. The lightweight design, weighing only 13 pounds, makes it easy to move and handle, ensuring that you can carry out your cleaning duties without any hassle. Assembly is straightforward and can be completed in minutes, thanks to the user-friendly instructions provided, allowing you to start cleaning without delay. The product comes with a reliable 2-year warranty and professional after-sales support, offering peace of mind and assistance whenever needed.